Mastering Generative AI with an industrial curriculum and enterprise technologies. The world's first and only Generative AI program for enterprise transformation and Gen AI talent development. What does the program offer? Transforming enterprises with Gen AI. Creating and transforming Gen AI talent. Business transformation framework based on large language models, LLMs. Industry-proven Gen AI use cases. What will you learn from the program? You can gain on-the-job experience and learn practical skills while advancing your career with LLM at Scale.AI's Generative AI program. Until now, Generative AI has been considered an academic concept or a scientific research project, rather than a practical solution for enterprises. Our first step to changing this perspective was to create integrated generative AI industrial learning solutions for professionals, colleges, and universities. Who we are. LLM at Scale.AI is a global leader with a mission to help companies solve the industry's most demanding business problems with Gen AI, a generative AI-powered academic transformation platform for personalized and cognitive learning. We offer a simple and easy-to-use intelligent learning management system, ILMS, under a SaaS subscription model. Our team includes University of California board members, Harvard PhDs, Stanford alumni, industry leaders, and proven entrepreneurs. The group combines technology and business through risk-free implementation and deep artificial intelligence learning. Mr. Jyothi Periyasamy, co-founder and chief data scientist at LLM at Scale.AI, and a board member at University of California. Who can benefit from our Generative AI program? Our program provides fundamental skills and knowledge to anyone interested in learning the basics of generative AI. As learners progress to intermediate-level courses, they gain deeper skills and knowledge to design and architect large language models for business applications. How is our Generative AI program different from others? We found critical challenges in the current generation of generative AI learning solutions based on our market research and client engagements, based on a variety of industry perspectives. Our goal is to address these challenges and enable learners to quickly acquire adequate generative AI skills to engage in or develop products with confidence. You will learn about business applications, concepts, architectures, data, computing, user interfaces, deployments, and APIs. In the beginning, learners will learn the foundations, then move on to the intermediate level to build the individual solution building blocks, and then specialize industries in the advanced level. With the world's first and only generative AI program for career advancement, learn the Generative AI in industrial use cases, Generative AI Digital Lab, Generative AI Framework. Over 50 industrial use cases exist across industries. 15+ LLM models to compare and choose from. Overview of Generative AI and its leading platforms and models. Foundation level, intermediate level, advanced level. The ultimate goal is to empower businesses with the measurable results of Generative AI. With LLM at Scale.AI, the learning starts with understanding the industry and how businesses use generative AI on their day-to-day operational and strategic needs. Our AI educational programs have been recognized by several organizations around the world. LLM at Scale.AI is a leader in the AI community and aims to empower society by increasing their AI readiness and raising their awareness of AI's impact. Visit us at LLM at Scale.AI to learn more about the course and realize the measurable business values of generative AI.